Okay, well, we're revisiting this. I had to go in there and chase the thread and got it cleaned up. You know, you can still see the marks. Excuse me, focus. Let's go. Yeah, you can still see the marks from where I chowdered it yesterday. But I was able to chase the thread and dig it out. You know what? It may not look the prettiest, but it's actually a really nice fit. Goes on there nicely. And that'll serve as a thread protector so I can use all my different fittings in the spindle. That's pretty awesome. So I did it off camera, of course, because it was pretty difficult. Alright, now that we got the threading all dialed in, I'm going to go ahead and put a slight bevel on this. And just dialing in on the cross speed to 10,000. Put a little bit of cutting oil on there. And try to get you in focus here. Hand feeding the compound. Kind of hard to do when you're holding the camera. Alright, speed a little more, another 10, 15, 20. The big one, not really, but sort of. You know what I mean. Whatever. Alright, here we go. Feeding by hand. Still cutting pretty good. Showing a little bit of resistance, so I'll probably not go quite so deep next time. And on my final pass I won't be able to film because I'm going to need to get it nice and smooth. Back it up. Get back to here. Right. Alright, there it is with the, see that? But I was able to clean it up and works actually very nice. So I'm really actually happy. It's for me, so it doesn't matter. But that'll, when I'm turning between centers, that'll protect my threads. And I'm sure when I buy a collet setup, I'll get one of these and then I'll throw this sucker out. But to tell you the truth, I'm really happy. So there you go. I'm gonna put a hole up here, the blind hole, and that's gonna be for a spanner wrench. I was gonna knurl it, but it's just so hard on the machine. I'd rather not. Yeah, here's a quick look at a hammer, or a machinist hammer that I made. This leather, it's from my old leather couch. I'm gonna do a video and show me making one of these. I make them with wood handles, and you know, the cool thing is this brass. This is a hardened drill rod, and this brass here is removable. It's threaded on the end. You can add these, and made a couple. You know, they'll screw into here. That's pretty cool. Another one, just plain. This is Delrin. This is what's that? I don't remember what it's called. But anyway, nylon. Excuse me, nylon. Yeah, this is good shit. It's good for these mallets. I like it. And a little cast iron pipe I put up there, just for fun. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Many more to come, and I'll definitely get better at editing as we go along. And please subscribe and check out all these cool projects I'll be doing. Thanks. Bye. Alright, there it is. Pretty much done without the hole for the spanner. And like I said, nice fit. There you go.